It's 3 p.m. Your head feels heavy, your eyes are burning, and you've been reading the exact same sentence 4 times in a row. Your first instinct? Grab another cup of coffee or an energy drink. But deep down, you know what's coming next. The dreaded caffeine crash. Heart palpitations, cold sweat, anxious jitters, and a brain that feels even messier than before. What if you could sharpen your brain wires, getting razor-sharp focus and a lockbox memory, without borrowing energy from tomorrow? If you're tired of midday brain fog, stay tuned, because today, we're fixing your focus for good. Today, we are breaking down the plant-based secret that sharpens your mental focus, boosts memory recall, and gives you clean, steady drive all day long. 0 jitters. 0 afternoon slump. Just pure, effortless clarity. Stick with me for the next 8 minutes, because understanding this one simple mechanism will change how you work forever. First, let's look at why caffeine is actually betraying your focus, and what your brain really needs instead. Once you see the science, you'll realize you've been running your engine on the wrong fuel this whole time. Here's the trick caffeine plays on you. Caffeine doesn't actually give you genuine energy. It simply hijacks your brain's receivers. It blocks adenosine, the chemical that tells you you're tired. But while caffeine blocks it, adenosine keeps building up behind the dam. When the coffee wears off, that dam breaks. A giant wave of tiredness hits your brain all at once. That is the crash. Worse, caffeine triggers your adrenal glands to flood your system with stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. That's why you feel restless, anxious, and unfocused. Your body thinks it's fighting a tiger, even though you're just trying to write an email. To get real focus, we need to nourish our neurotransmitters, not hijack them. And nature figured this out thousands of years ago. Enter the botanical brain wire sharpener. A synergy of adaptogens and nootropics that sharpen neural connections from the inside out. Specifically, 3 powerful plant-based compounds working together: Bacopa monnieri, lion's mane mushroom, and Rhodiola rosea. Let's reveal how these plants repair, sharpen, and shield your brain wires. Secret number 1, Bacopa monnieri. Known in ancient traditions as the plant of grace, this aquatic herb is a true brain wire sharpener. Bacopa contains active compounds called bacosides. Bacosides repair damaged brain tissue and encourage the growth of new nerve endings. Think of your brain like a highway. Bacopa repairs the potholes and adds new lanes, helping you recall names, facts, and tasks effortless. Secret number 2, lion's mane mushroom. This strange-looking natural fungi is famous for triggering a process called neurogenesis. Lion's mane stimulates BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Scientists call BDNF Miracle-Grow for your neurons. It actually shields the protective coating around your brain wires, ensuring electrical signals move at top speed. Secret number 3, Rhodiola rosea. Grown in harsh Arctic mountains, this adaptogen is the ultimate antidote to mental fatigue. Rhodiola balances your stress response. It allows you to stay calm under tight deadlines without feeling sleepy or sluggish. When you combine these 3 natural powerhouses, something incredible happens. They create a state of calm alertness. Not the anxious, sweaty rush of 3 espresso shots, but a calm, laser-like clarity where work just flows. You stop procrastinating. You stop feeling overwhelmed. You enter what psychologists call the ultimate flow state. And best of all, it increases blood circulation and oxygen delivery to your brain naturally. What does using a plant-based brain sharpener actually feel like during your daily routine? Within 30 to 45 minutes, there is no sudden explosion of heart-pounding energy. Instead, noise in your mind simply quietens down. Phone notifications and distractions lose their grip on you. You become completely absorbed in whatever task is in front of you. Your working memory sharpens. You retain details from articles, books, or conversations on the very first read. When 3 p.m. arrives, while everyone else is lining up for sugar-filled lattes, your energy level remains totally flat and steady. And when night comes, because you didn't overload your adrenal glands with artificial stimulants, you fall asleep effortlessly. Clinical studies on Bacopa Monnieri show measurable improvements in visual information processing speed and memory consolidation over 8 to 12 weeks. Unlike caffeine, which builds tolerance and works less over time, plant-based nootropics work better the longer you use them consistently. They build lasting structural health inside your brain, strengthening your neural wiring every single day. Imagine compound interest, but for your brain power. Whether you're studying for major exams, managing a business, or simply trying to stay mentally sharp as you age, this approach works. But hold on. Before you go buying the first herbal bottle you see online, there's a crucial catch you need to know. Not all plant supplements are built equal. Raw powdered roots often contain very few active ingredients. Rule number 1, always look for standardized extracts. For Bacopa, ensure it is standardized to at least 20% to 50% bacosides. Rule number 2, Bacopa is fat-soluble. Take it alongside a healthy meal containing good fats like avocado, eggs, or nuts for maximum absorption. You can also pair these herbs with L-Theanine, a natural amino acid found in green tea that further smooths out mental tension. The best time to take your plant-based sharpeners is in the morning with breakfast, setting your brain up for an uninterrupted flow state. And remember, herbs enhance a healthy foundation. They work best when paired with proper hydration and real, whole foods. Keep this checklist in mind to get maximum return on your investment in your brain health. Give your body 30 days on this plant-based routine, and you'll wonder how you ever survived on endless coffee runs. Clean energy, sharp memory, and peaceful focus are completely within your reach. To wrap it up, stop relying on caffeine spikes that crash your energy and spike your stress. Harness natural, plant-based wire sharpeners to build true mental stamina and long-term neuroprotection. Now I want to hear from you. What's your biggest struggle when trying to stay focused during the workday? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more science-backed health secrets. Check out these videos on screen right now to keep upgrading your mind and body. Thank you for watching, sharpen those brain wires, and I'll see you in the next video.